Boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, April the 9th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku. So 2 puzzles remain, the jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested, the binary puzzle. And this binary puzzle will be number, I believe, number 8332. 8332. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 1s and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with a double O. Here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. 4 1s we have here. So the rest are O's. A double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 1s comes an O, between 2 1s comes an O, between 2 O's comes an 1, between 2 O's comes an 1, double 1 here, no, there, no, 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s, double 1 here, no, there, no, 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s, 4 1s we have here in this second column, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1, between 2 1s comes an O, between the 1s comes an O, between the O's comes an 1. 4 1s we have here in this column, so the rest are O's. Then between the O's comes an 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double O here, one there, one. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the last column, so the rest are 1s. Double 1. Oh, no. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes a 1. Between the O's comes a 1. Finish in 2 minutes. Well, we solve it again. This one is an easy one. And I like this one. You think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.